Kia ora, ko Billy Sinclair tōku ingo, he kai whakamahere o te Wellington Metro Networks. We're on day 2 of our Easter block and we're replacing the switch lock here which takes us from the main line into the Bracefield and Hutt workshops. It's quite an important section of track here. It's the only way that you can actually get into the Hutt shops through anywhere in the country. This is where we have a lot of our locos are here for refurbishment. We also have the rail depot as well. We can't do this over a normal weekend, it's just not enough time, so we take advantage of this. As we said here, we've got Wurn. Further up the track we've got in Taita, we've got our another turnout there as well. Just further north on that we're doing a bridge re-rail, so we've got a few of the boys on the bridge doing that, and a bit further north of that we're doing our track relay, and just a little bit further north of that in Upper Hutt Yard we're prepping for a Upper Hutt Yard renewal. That's on the Wairarapa line, the Hutt Valley line. On the NIMT in Paikakariki there we're doing the ballast cleanup, so that's a job which is going to take over the whole Easter block, and we're doing some re-rails further down the track as well around Porirua area. We've got a lot of temporary speed restrictions on this network at the moment just because of the way the asset is. This is just an opportunity now to lift those TSRs. The most important thing that everybody that arrives here goes home safely. That's the most important thing. Of course, production is the key, but also the key thing is everyone, from our workers to our contractor, everybody is safe. So that's the most important thing from this weekend.